as a British. Real big, real positive. Not so much for the colonists. But you gotta look at it from both sides. That's why I want you to do this. Pros and cons. Then you weight it. Okay? So I wanted you to do them all. You've done them all. So everybody's happy? Everybody's comfortable with the pros and cons and the Ben Franklin? And everybody understands the cause and effect?
So if you didn't do the colony side, you have to do the homework.
Get it done. Yes.
I like combined.
But you can combine it. Here's what I want you to do. Open your Google Classroom, and there's a thing called New York Times.
Wait, isn't it called newspaper?
Newspaper.
Oh, I was about to say.
I did that.
Newspaper.
Right out of class.
Okay? The newspaper, right? Alright? So what I want you guys to do is odd numbers. You take a British side and write a newspaper column, commentary, justifying the actions that the British took against the colonists. Using the same items, the same 7 events that we talked about in the Ben Franklin and the cause and effect. So as British, you're gonna say, everything the British government did was justifiable, and here's why. Then you go down to your pros on the Ben Franklin, and that's why. Okay? That's what I want you to do. And your newspaper column is to convince the reader that you're right. So for the odd guys and the 1, 3, 5, 7 seats, you're doing British. For the even number guys, you're doing from a colonist perspective. You're going to argue that Britain was wrong, the colonists were right, and they violated, I would assume, and I'm going to really look for this, you're going to talk about what the big issues are for the colonists, and then you're going to have some evidence to back that up.
So I thought it was due today, so I did it, but I already did it from the colonist view.
That's
Yeah,
fine,
I
if
did
you've already done it from a colonist perspective,
Yeah,
I'm
I've
okay
already
with
done
that. That's good. I'm not going to ask you to do it
Why
again.
y'all doing your work?
I did all
You're
of it.
actually good people.
That's fine, that's fine.
I just need to write it down.
I'm just saying, if you already done it, fine. If you haven't, number 1, British. Number 2, colonists. That is due tomorrow class.
Let's do tomorrow. I thought it
No,
was due
tomorrow class. You want 11:59, let's do 11:59 tonight. Tomorrow class.
Okay. Do we
Is
print
it
it out
like-
or do we
We
just?
do it
This
for us.